Greetings, fellow wellness seekers, and a warm welcome to Green Man Wellness, where ancient remedies are brought to life. Today, we're exploring the ancient healing traditions of Hawaii, known as Kahuna Healing. From Noni fruit to Kava root, the Hawaiian people have long used natural remedies to restore balance and health. Let's dive into the world of Polynesian medicine. The Noni fruit has been a key remedy in Polynesian medicine for centuries. This potent fruit is used to reduce inflammation, treat infections, and boost the immune system. Hawaiian healers, known as kahunas, would often apply Noni fruit directly to wounds to promote healing. Today, Noni is used in juice form to help manage inflammation and improve overall health. Kava root is another important remedy in Hawaiian medicine, traditionally used to promote relaxation, reduce anxiety, and enhance spiritual connection. Kava was often consumed in ceremonies to promote a sense of calm and unity. Modern research has confirmed Kava's effectiveness in reducing anxiety, and it's now widely used as a natural alternative to pharmaceutical treatments. La'au Lapa'au is the practice of traditional Hawaiian herbal medicine, using plants like turmeric, ginger, and guava leaves for healing. This practice emphasizes balance and harmony between the mind, body, and spirit. Hawaiian healers would carefully select herbs based on the specific needs of the individual, aiming to restore balance and health. Hawaiian Kahuna. Healing offers a holistic approach to health, combining powerful natural remedies like Noni and Kava with spiritual practices to promote healing. These ancient traditions remind us of the deep connection between nature and well-being. I hope you enjoyed my presentation on Polynesian healing, Hawaiian Kahuna healing. If you did, I kindly ask you to subscribe to help the Green Man reach more viewers. Like and subscribe, join the Wellness Tribe. Mahalo.